जे रितीन महाराष्ट्रात प्लास्टिकाचेर पुराय बंदी घाल्या तशेंच गोंयांतूय प्लास्टीक पुराय बंद करपाक जाय म्हण मागणी आम आदमी पक्षाची आसा। तशेंच साळगांवच्या कोयरा प्रकल्पाची जितली क्षमता आसा तितलो कोयर हाताळपाक त्या प्रकल्पाक जमना म्हण आरोप आप पक्षान केला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
We got today basically to report on the sad state of garbage across the state. You can see it's a serious situation everywhere. And the one big hope that we had of the Saligaon waste treatment plant being a savior for Goa, unfortunately, is not happening. I am part of the monitoring committee on behalf of the Saligaon Civic and Consumer Cell, and also on behalf of the Goa Foundation to monitor the success of the plant. Though the plant is sophisticated, it has all sorts of machinery and biomethanation and everything, it is really failing in its job. We visited the plant 2 weeks ago, and we found out that the dumps, 55,000 tons of waste which was there originally, has not been cleared. It's only a small 10,000 amount of garbage that seems to be cleared off the original garbage dump that was there. And that is a really sad state of affairs. We've noticed that the baling is failing. All the garbage which is supposed to be segregated and put into different recyclable components like plastic, paper, metal, everything is completely dirty. The garbage that the Saligaon plant receives is unsegregated, it is completely filthy. The paper, the plastic, everything has got all those dirty organic juices in it. It's smelling completely. And we feel that this is not the way that we should be treating our garbage in Goa. The only way out, back to the plant, we found that there's one truck being loaded, which is going to Chhattisgarh ACC cement and Ambuja cement in Chhattisgarh at 50,000 rupees per truck. They're sending all this waste they cannot sort out for burning to Chhattisgarh. And this shows you the pathetic state of affairs. Bengurla has a garbage treatment plant which treats close to this amount of garbage, which has cost 1/10 the amount. It is not a biomethanation plant, it is a composting plant. This composting plant produces actually valuable compost which can be used in the ground. The Saligaon plant produces compost that cannot be used. Because the Saligaon plant takes the garbage, it squeezes all the juices out of it. What you have is just a dry pulp. Those juices go, make gas, fires an engine, then produce electricity. But that electricity is being produced at 5 times the grid cost. So this is a nice experimentation, but not really valid for Goa. Kalangut, Porvorim have new sewage systems that's come up. It's created a complete mess across the whole of Goa. See, roads dug up, big potholes, big danger to people traveling on roads, and very little has been done. In fact, they haven't even identified where the STP is going. So all these pipes are seemingly leading nowhere, whether it's in Kalangut area or whether it's in the Porvorim area. They do not have a fixed identity where the STP plant is actually going to be put up. And yet pipelines are laid all over the place. So we are seriously worried about this.
व्हडलो होप घेवन जे आयिल्ले मुखार तो आज सारको चलना। तो जर दुरुस्त करतलो जाल्यार टेक्निकल एडवायस प्लास्टिकाचेर बंदी येवपाकूच जाय। प्लास्टिकाचेर बंदी जर महाराष्ट्रा घालूंक शकता जाल्यार हांगा कित्याक घालूं नये? आनी प्लास्टिकाची बंदी कमीत कमी 1 वर्स तरी घालून तुमी पळया कितें परिणाम जाता तो। हांगा 100-200 कोटीचे प्लांट हाडून कॅपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट करून आनी परत दिनान सांगला तसो नॅक्सस आसा SFC आनी हिंदुस्तान वेस्ट हाचे भितर कसो नॅक्सस आसा ताणें सांगला। एका सायडीन सिवेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट, एका सायडीन गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट, हे असले जावचे न्हय। प्लास्टिकाचेर बंदी घालची आनी लोकल बॉडीज आसात तांकां हे सगळे रिस्पॉन्सिबल करून सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट हँडल करपाक एक प्रोफेशनल एडवायस दिवचो, हेल्प दिवचो आनी गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करचो।